Want to bet?
Wish I was a baller.
You got owned by a ghost.
Hey, Will!
You're the owner of the Thorns.
Seeing as we haven't won a game all season, you might be exactly what this team needs right now.
You're signing a goat?
Hey.
I'm just gonna eat him.
He's fine.
Ready to meet the team? There's Jet, a legend, but she takes our losses a little too personally. Lenny, he has a hard time focusing.
I'm sorry, you saying something?
Archie, the face of gentle parenting.
What happened to no kids in the locker room?
I breathed it in. There's Olivia. We have to limit her screen time.
Oh no.
And Modo, whatever the heck he is.
That's just my skin.